This recipe is one of the oldest recipes we have in Ghana, and I personally believe this was original lai soup we had in Ghana before the modification of this soup. So in Ghana, we believe that lai soup is recommended for someone who is recovering from sickness, or if you want to have a soup which is light, lai soup is what you need. Okay. So the ingredients used to prepare this recipe truly define what an healthy and delicious food or soup should be. Hello brothers, sisters, how you doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. So I'm in Hafo, Sunyane, and over here is the oldest and the first Akan tribe to settle in Ghana. So that means the recipes coming from this region is a true traditional indigenous food we have.
Hello, how am I?
Today's recipe is locally known as Cocoyam, and it's a soup that a lot of people doesn't know how to prepare this because of the modification that has happened over the years. So the original ingredient that was used to prepare these soups are Thai eggplant, pea eggplant, turkey berries, white beans, dry smoked fish, which is herring because you don't need any meat inside this recipe, tomatoes, onion, pepper, and the basic things. Okay, so originally, since these first three ingredients, which is Thai eggplant or pea eggplant and turkey berries, are bitter,
so it's a bit bitter.
the modification happened, and our mothers replaced this ingredient with garden eggs and carrots and other vegetables, okay, to take away the bitterness that the Thai eggplant and the pea eggplant and the turkey berries give to the soup. But I believe that since lai soup is recommended for someone who is recovering from sickness, that's why this old ingredient was used, so that the bitterness can help cure the person.
So we're grinding our onion and the ginger and garlic together. Okay, so white beans, okay, and to boil this you have to crack it, okay. Oh, this is Thai eggplant. It's part of the eggplant family, okay. And the reddish one is called pea eggplant, okay, pea eggplant. So Thai eggplant, turkey berries, pea eggplant, and some pepper. Okay. Washed our cassava and placed in different pots. Okay, so this is where the boiling will go. Cocoyam leaf, cocoyam. Okay, so as I said, cassava and cocoyam together. So we're peeling the cocoyam also. Okay, so we add a bit of salt to it. How can we do no soup for now? This is what I say. Oh, okay.
So what do they do?
I did say, what if you kiss? Okay. I don't need meat inside it. It's all dry fish. Okay, so we have herring and the catfish over here. So this is the basement of the soup. We just wash our fish and put them inside our pot. Then we have onion, garlic, and ginger on top to steam it. We wash our tomatoes and add it inside. We are about to steam our Cocoyam. So we have what do you call herring, super salted fish, tomatoes, and the steamed or the grinded onion, garlic, and ginger. Over here too is our just boiled ingredients. Okay, so about to grind this pepper and turkey berries and everything. We got everything together for the Cocoyam. And this is the basic steaming. We're now adding our Thai what do you call eggplant, the turkey berries, pepper, everything, grind it together. Okay, it's a good thing like that. Okay. So very soon the tomatoes will come out, then we grind it out too. We're about to grind our tomatoes. Okay. Take up the tomatoes. So basically, as I said, a typical local soup. The Ghanaian is a cans. So we're adding some okro to the okro. So the tomato sauce goes inside, and the okro is almost ready. Okay, add this fruit, and I'm doing this. Allow the liquid inside to come inside the soup to give that flavor. Okay. Okay, but before that, no. Oh yeah. We could go inside. Okay. So we have our Dawadawa over here. Dawadawa.
Okay. And so this is the beginning of the pounding, and we have our cocoyam serving as the plantain. So basically, this is how we pound fufu in Ghana. But recently, people are doing it with the machine, but this is authentic and the natural way, the African way, the Ghanaian way. So when it comes to Ghana, you have different versions of fufu. We have the cocoyam fufu alone. We have the cassava and plantain alone. We have the plantain alone. We have yam. Let them be. I think there are 5, right?
Maybe so what banching kwa.
Okay, banching kwa. Yeah, but banching kwa so you call.
Maybe so what banching kwa. Sindaco.
Yeah.
So have you ever tried fufu with mankani, cocoyam?
No, first time.
First time. It tastes really good. When you have it with the green.
The green?
Yeah, it tastes so good. So how do you find sunyani?
Sunyani is amazing. This is my second time.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's cool, right? It's quiet. We don't have structure here.
Really?
No.
Sir.
No, we don't use structure within the city.
How about you as well?
Oh no, yeah, we have it in the no camp no your chair in the market. Any baby I a quine you know.
Okay. But inside in the baby.
Inside no, you can't see Abubuya on the main road. We don't do that. Sunyani people, we are rich. Because we eat good food, everything from the farm.
Yeah. The plantation family
more. So she just placed the cocoyam, pounded cocoyam on the leaves. That's so interesting. Then the cassava. I didn't think I am moving anything. I am in India. Okay.
So this is the food, the cassava version of it. So as I said, the cocoyam served as plantain. Mix everything together. One thing about pounding fufu is that you need to have someone who you trust. If the person pounding the fufu is your enemy, don't let her pound the fufu. As I will say now, Beko. Ademi. Okay, so this is our krobo from and it also goes with fufu. Okay. Because it's a bit bitter because of the Thai eggplant that was used. Okay, and as I said, normally it's only fish that's used to prepare this soup, no meat. So we have our dry smoked herring and catfish. Typical local food from a hafo. Anyway, the precursor will give a flavor to the soup. Okay, okay. So we have our soup over here. Cocoyam. I know most of you doesn't know this soup, but it looks like light soup. But the ingredient that was used is different from the normal light soup that you know. Okay, that makes it exceptional and beautiful as well. And it's delicious, that's what I've been told. We have to find out. Anyway. So let's take a bite. The food is now ready. The whole world, the only two countries that can plant this fruit over here is Ghana and Israel. Like I said, adding fruits. So let's take a bite. Amen. So it's a bit bitter. Very little, not that much. Wow. It's bitter but still delicious as well. Amazing. Wow. So it's more like a medicinal food, yeah? You eating and healing yourself as well. As the grandmother said yesterday, the food that you eat is the medicine that you take. That's it. Okay. Okay. So basically, if you have malaria and all those stuff now, you normally you'll be having that bitter what do you call it, mass, but this soup is the only soup that has been done for such patients. Yeah, so that's for today. This cooking is Sindaco, Sunyani Diaries, Bono Ahafo, yeah, or Ahafo. And man, you can try this recipe for yourself as well. I hope you can get some of these ingredients in Europe as well, yeah. So try this recipe and trust me, you love it, Ankasa. Amazing food, and man, let me know in the comment section as well.
And I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend and tell a brother. There's more hidden local food we have in Ghana that most of us doesn't know. That's why I'm here to discover all this food for you guys to know. It's about time we promote and showcase our food to ourselves as Africans to the world. And man, it is what it is. Let's do this. Record.